If you've ever left a comment on MSN and then tried to find it again later, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to view your own MSN comment quickly and easily so you can check the comments you've made and also see any replies you received. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech videos like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to msn.com. Once the page loads, pick any article and click on it. It can be any news story or article on the site, because we just need to get into the comments section. Now, look to the left-hand side of the page and tap the comments icon. This will open the comments area. Depending on your browser and screen size, a dialog box may appear on the right side of the page. That's completely normal. Inside that comments panel, look for your own profile picture. Click on your profile picture to open your comment profile. This is the step that lets you access your own activity instead of just reading the public comment thread. Once you click it, a new window will open and take you to your profile. From there, you'll be able to see the comments you've made on MSN. You can also review the replies you got from other users, which is really useful if you want to follow up on a conversation or check what someone responded to you. If you don't see your comments right away, make sure you're signed in to the same account you used when posting the comment. That's important because MSN can only show your own comment history when you're logged into the correct profile, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you can view your own MSN comment, check your comment history, and see the replies tied to your profile. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.